Welcome to Valley-wide Parrot Rescue. Today we're diving into the exciting world of hand-feeding baby parrots. Whether a baby parrot fell out of a tree in your backyard, or your pet parrot surprised you with a clutch of little ones, this video is for you. But heads up, this method is specifically for baby parrots. Other baby birds could die from this food and technique, so please do not try it on them. Also, before you take in a bird, check your state and local laws to make sure it's legal. Here at Valley-wide Parrot Rescue, we've got some VIPs, very important parrots. Meet our baby conures, a clutch of 5 adorable little ones whose parents were surrendered shortly after their kids were born. Then we have these 3 baby Quakers rescued from a cell phone tower that was disguised as a palm tree. Yep, their parents built a giant nest in there in the winter, not realizing how brutal Arizona summers can get, especially since those tower panels can hit up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Want to learn more about their rescue stories? We've got separate videos on these conures and Quakers on our channel, so go check them out. Today we'll show you how to hand feed these cuties step by step. Ready? Let's do this. Hand feeding baby parrots isn't just about keeping them fed. It's a fantastic way to help them grow up social and trusting of humans. You will be amazed to see that by the end they will have absolutely no fear of people, and sometimes they grow up thinking that they are people themselves. First up, you'll need to grab a parrot formula, a special mix made just for baby parrots. Not sure where to start? We've got some great options listed in the description below. Next, figure out how old your parrot is. This helps you adjust the feeding process. Here's a crazy tip. You can snap a pic and ask most AI assistants to identify these species and ages for you. Honestly, with all the advances in technology, we have no excuses not to succeed. The only thing you need to do is have patience and a good routine. Time to play chef. This isn't a Gordon Ramsay video, so we are not going to go through the process of mixing the formula. Just mix it according to the package directions. It's usually just water and powder. Pour that formula into a syringe. This is your feeding tool, so make sure it's clean and the formula is warm. Not too hot, just cozy. It's feeding time. Gently insert the syringe into the right side of the baby's beak, aiming it towards the left side. That way, the food does not go down the wrong pipe and end up with fatal results. If they do not start bobbing and eating right away, don't stress. Just rub the flesh sacs on the sides of their beak to get them going. It's like a little encouragement nudge. Here's a pro tip. Keep a bowl of boiling water nearby. Dip the syringe tip in it briefly before feeding it to the birds. This tricks them into thinking that it's their mom and dad feeding them. It's nice, warm, and toasty. Before we wrap up, here are the major keys in order to become a master hand feeder. Build a good routine. Be consistent. Give them time to eat. Watch more videos. This will allow you to pick up tons of new tricks. Don't get discouraged. It's a learning curve for you and for the bird. Learning it from a pro is the best. Do you personally know someone who is a total bird pro and has tons of experience with babies? Nothing is better than learning from someone who has seen it all. When I first started this journey, I have already done tons of research and still wasn't able to do it. Things only clicked when Lisa, one of our volunteers who already seen pretty much everything you can think about animal-wise, showed it to me. She showed me how to do it in person and corrected the minor mistakes and imperfections of what I was doing already. Suddenly it clicked, and I was able to hand feed them like a pro as well. It's also a great way to bridge the gap between different generations and carry the torch of knowledge. Maybe one day you will be teaching this to the next generation and create a world that is more empathetic to birds everywhere. Lastly, and most importantly, make it fun. Enjoy the bonding time with your baby parrot. It's a time you only get to experience once with your bird, because once they are grown up, they are grown up. Thanks for watching. We hope you got some awesome info from this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button and follow us for more parrot care tips and rescue stories. These little ones are counting on us to help them grow into happy social birds. See you in the next video.